Hey guys, how you doing? Ray here again. If you'd like to subscribe, it's Nitro Kyosho. Remember to follow me on Facebook. Nitro Kyosho, all one word, brings you to the community page. Well, first I want to start off by saying thank you to all my subscribers for all their support over the years. I really appreciate it. Couldn't keep doing this stuff without you. And I also wanted to wish everybody well, all my subscribers out there. I want to wish them and their families well through this rough time we're going through with the coronavirus, the national worldwide pandemic. So I hope you guys are all doing great. I hope you and your families are all healthy. So that's what I have to say about that. Now, as far as this helicopter, you're probably saying, what are you doing with this, Ray? This has been out for 2 years now, or close to it, and you don't have an unboxing. You got a fully built helicopter here. Well, there's a story behind this helicopter. That's why I wanted to make this video, and I'll do a little bit of showing you about it and talking about the manual and stuff for anybody who's new to Sab. This was my friend Bob's. He's a good friend of mine. He's a great pilot. I flew with him for years. He bought this when it came out. Long story short, life got in the way. Different things happened. He got this part of the way built, and he kept asking me, do you want it? Can you finish it? Do you want to use it? And he started asking me last year, and finally I got there this weekend and got it from him. So, Bob, if you're out there watching, listening, thank you very much. I appreciate this. And he knew when he gave this to me that I would keep it and I wouldn't take it and sell it. And out of all the helicopters that I have, this one probably means more to me than any of them, just for the fact that a friend thought enough of me to give it to me. So that's what I have to say about that. Now, I did a partial 3/4 half build. But I'm going to get up and show you the manual. As always, the Sab manuals are great. They're in color. They're written out by people, I think, that understand the English language. And I think that a 6-year-old kid could build these because the pictures and the descriptions are just beautiful. So let me get up and show you a little bit about the manual, just for anybody out there that could be new to Sab or thinking about buying a Goblin. As you can see, the pictures are all very descriptive. I mean, very, very simplistic the way they have everything. Kind of tough to make a mistake. And, so there's part of the manual. Okay. And I also want to give a shout out to my friend Ron that helped me with a stupid goofball question I had asked him about this, because I haven't built a helicopter in a couple of years. I had kind of a brain freeze on something very silly I won't even mention. But thank you, Ron, for getting me through that. And let me pull the canopy off. Canopy is magnetic. Okay, it's got the little magnetic things in there, and it it goes on beautiful, on and off. The battery takes a 1250 milliamp 6-cell battery. 75C is what I have with it. He gave me a few batteries. And but the canopy, for being a Goblin, I know we always had issues in the past, but they've really gotten a lot better with the fit and finish of the canopies going on and off. And so bring this in here, give you a close-up. So this is a direct drive. Okay, the motor in there, there's really just a pulley. Okay, there's the tensioners, but it's not a traditional Goblin with any kind of gearing or anything. And this also is a new thing with Goblin. This has a plastic frame. Okay, and it has plastic skids. And what else can we talk about? This came with all the servos, and it came with the motor, and it came with the 60 amp Sab ESC, which is it can be programmed using Hobbywing program boxes. It comes pre-set up in GovStore mode for anybody who's wondering. So you just basically, I just set my normal, after I did the throttle endpoints, I just set the throttle to 60 normal flat, idle up 1, 70 flat, and then 85 for idle up 2. Okay, and this one has, for the static, because it has a plastic frame, it gives you that little rubber thing. You go from the tail up to here. I don't know how much that'll really do, but I installed it. That's for static when you have the belt and everything. I've got an icon unit on there. Blade grips are metal. The head, everything went together really nice. I've got one satellite here, depending if I'll, put another one or not if it needs it. Okay, that's where the canopy locks in with the magnetic. It has 2 belt tensioners on either side. And then it has one down here, if you can see that. I'm using my cell phone this time. This is the first time for filming. Hopefully we'll get a better, brighter film than with my old Sony camera. But that's the Healy, guys. And, look for some... I won't do a test video. I already did that. I know you guys want to see this thing perform, so we'll do some kind of acrobatic video. But, yeah, I just wanted to do this video because I thought I owed those guys a little nod, and I wanted to make a Healy video because it's been a while, and I know there's still some guys out there that are into Healy. So thank you for watching. We'll get some acrobatic videos out for you, and we'll talk to you guys soon.